how to get a car dealer license in Tennessee. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, you need to visit the official government website. You will see all the license requirement and fee option. It might seem a bit complicated, but I will simplify it for you. In step number 1, identify the type of license you need. Tennessee offers different types such as motor vehicle dealer license lets you sell new or used cars. Use motor vehicle dealer license for selling used cars only. Choose the one that fits your business. In step number 2, establish a permitted business location. Your dealership must be in a commercial space separate from residential areas. The site must include restroom, phone line, signage, and parking for at least 15 cars plus customer parking. The lot surface must be compacted gravel, not grass. The building must be at least 2,000 square feet. There are the specific requirements too. You can pause the video or check the official PDF for a full list. Step number 3, obtain an auto dealer bond and liability insurance. You will need a $50,000 bond and liability insurance with minimum coverage of $300,000. Gather your paperwork. This includes photos of your business location, proof of zoning approval, sales tax license, financial statement showing a net worth of at least $10,000 and more. Check the Tennessee Motor Vehicle Commission website or the link PDF of the completed list. Submit your dealer license application. The fee is $400 for used vehicle dealers and $400 for each branch location. Mail your application to Tennessee Motor Vehicle Commission, 500 GMC Parkway, Nashville, TN 37243. After submission, your business location will be inspected. Make sure you meet all requirements before the inspection, because if you fail, there is a $400 re-inspection fee. That's how you get your dealer license in Tennessee. For more detail, visit the Tennessee Motor Vehicle Commission website or contact them directly. Thanks for watching.